When precision and reliability matter, having the right equipment makes all the difference. The best DC power supplies deliver consistent voltage and current control, ensuring your projects, experiments, and electronic repairs run smoothly every time with maximum efficiency. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Jesverty 3010V DC Power Supply. The Jesverty 3010V DC power supply is designed for precision and convenience, making it an excellent choice for electronics enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its upgraded coarse and fine encoder knobs replace traditional potentiometers, allowing users to set voltage and current with remarkable accuracy. The coarse knob adjusts values before the decimal point, while the fine knob handles the values after the decimal point, offering a resolution of 0.01V and 0.001A. This level of precision ensures that both delicate experiments and more demanding projects can be completed efficiently. The unit also features dual USB charging ports, including Type A and Type C, both supporting 20W fast charging. This makes it easy to power devices such as Arduino boards, Raspberry Pi modules, or even smartphones while working on a project. Another convenient feature is the output on-off button, which allows users to switch power without removing the load or turning off the entire unit, streamlining adjustments during testing. Number 2. Nice Power 5V DC Power Supply. The Nice Power 5V DC Power Supply is a versatile solution for both hobbyists and professional technicians who need multiple output options in a single device. This 4-in-1 power supply effectively combines dual 30V10A outputs, one 30V20A output, and one 60V10A output, eliminating the need for multiple separate units. The flexibility to switch between series and parallel configurations makes it easy to achieve higher voltages or currents as required, saving both time and effort when handling complex circuits. The unit has passed CE and FCC certification, reflecting its safety and quality standards, and includes multiple protection mechanisms such as overvoltage, overcurrent, overheating, overpower, short circuit, and leakage protection. This ensures that sensitive electronic components and batteries are safe during operation. The power supply is ideal for a wide range of applications, including battery charging, Arduino and Raspberry Pi projects, electroplating, anodizing, lab experiments, and educational demonstrations. Number 3. Jesverty SBS DC Power Supply. The Jesverty SBS DC Power Supply is engineered for precision, compactness, and reliability, making it ideal for electronics work that demands accuracy and flexibility. Its bright 4-digit LED display provides real-time readings of voltage, current, and power, with display resolutions of 0.01V, 0.001A, and 0.1W, allowing users to monitor output with exacting precision. This power supply features automatic constant voltage, CV, and constant current, CC, modes that adjust seamlessly based on the connected load, ensuring devices receive consistent and safe power. Its compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable and convenient for workbenches with limited space, measuring only 7.1 by 3.35 by 6.1 inches and weighing just 2.5 pounds. Reliability and safety are emphasized through features like short-circuit protection, overload protection, grounding terminals, and a temperature-regulated cooling fan, ensuring long-term operation without risk of damage to connected devices. Number 4. Jesverty 12003V DC Power Supply. The Jesverty 12003V DC Power Supply builds on the strengths of Jesverty's SBS series with enhanced features that increase efficiency and usability. Its coarse and fine encoder knobs allow precise voltage and current adjustments with resolutions of 0.01V and 0.001A, improving workflow and ensuring highly accurate settings for every project. Dual USB ports, including Type A and Type C, both supporting 20W quick charging, add versatility by allowing users to power microcontrollers, sensors, or smartphones alongside other devices without additional chargers. The convenient output on-off button eliminates the need to remove loads or turn off the entire supply while making adjustments, streamlining work on complex circuits. With selectable AC 115V/230V input, overcurrent protection, a temperature-regulated cooling fan, and the OPN output feature, this compact power supply guarantees both safety and immediate output when powered on. Number 5. HANMATEK HM310 DC Power Supply. The HANMATEK HM310 DC Power Supply delivers a combination of precision, safety, and versatility that makes it suitable for electronics enthusiasts, labs, and DIY hobbyists. It features intelligent auto power calculation, displaying output voltage, current, and power simultaneously on a large 4-digit LED screen. The automatic decimal point carry ensures accurate readings, while the keyboard lock prevents accidental changes during operation. The output switch control allows adjustments without removing the load, reducing the risk of misoperation or damage to connected devices, which is especially useful during maintenance or testing. Built-in protections against overvoltage, overcurrent, overpower, overtemperature, and short circuits further ensure safe operation, while the low-noise fan and low-ripple output maintain stable and reliable performance. A front-facing 5V2A USB charging port adds convenience for powering devices alongside other projects. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.